Make una not throw away una husband though. I draw my ear to this topic. Abuse God beg una. Make una not throw away una husband.
To drink with medicine.
African women in Europe. Make una not throw away una husband though. Make una not throw away una husband though. I draw my ear to this topic. Abuse God beg una. Make una not throw away una husband. My people, our today's topic is African women wey dey for Europe. Wetin dey happen now? Na no say me, I dey get call. Na men now na dey complain. So African women wey dey for Europe, una not try am. This topic I dey do am because this call big o. See am, I don come out again, my people. I dey outside now. Today na Sunday morning. Na no say every Sunday morning, sometimes in the evening we dey come out. So this cup wey they take give us our latte macchiato, their cup in Africa cup we say as big. When my every day bring out the cup, I dey surprise. Let put small sugar. Let me share this video. I beg, women share this video. Men share this video. Women share this video. I put small of the cafe with it. Men share this video. Very important. Let me remove this one. You know, go cut it because I know sitting it and only one I get now. I put that. I want to share this video, my people. So don't come out again. You know, every work. So do out now. You know hot, why now? Supposed to be bomb my Bios. Let me share this video. Today's topic.
This one, like this one.
I really don't give it money. I know you sleep. I know you sleep yesterday night. I tire. So I feel my don't rest more. Me, I can't go find something to eat. Now so I just sleep good. I tire. I know so every Friday we dey do all night. And yesterday morning I did so busy. Afternoon I did so busy both evening. So I not fit just sleep. So when I come manage enter bed, you know, so you know fit cheat nature for this life. As I manage enter bed, now so don't reach our village. You understand? This thing not hot well. Ah, this beer sweet too. Very sweet. I did Monster. Monster for Italy. Who know Monster? If you did Monster, holla me now. We did Monster. And Monster we did so. Last time we did Bergamo. We did Monster. Next week I don't know where we did. My people, I did Monster. When I share this video, I'm gonna help family. My country still now waiting they happen for you. Happy on the highs. Oh, my children, they are fine. I carry some with me here now. So they take their own food. We did Monza for Italy. Now day today. Okay. And they come here eat and be finish me. I can't tell you now what they happen. When I share this video, thank you for joining. I welcome you. When I put love now, I make my hair grow that. Make for not finish. I suppose shop two brioche. Well, I go use shame eat one because my side they eat. Thank you. Thank you for the love. I'm supposed to shop to brioche because I know it's me. But if I eat two brioche now see this woman can eat and make them fat or rubble. Me I shame, me I eat one. I'm supposed to eat two because I really dey hungry. I dey hungry. If I eat two now, the say lady can eat. They know they talk on. Now I'm just manage this one with shame.
You have bad biscuit for you. You have bad biscuit for you.
Okay.
You want biscuit?
Now you should take one.
You want biscuit?
Now try for you too. No belly for me. I come back and can't tell you. What did happen? The cup big. This is why they work. I never see big one like this. I like as it big, but the latter not hot. Oh yeah, is watching. Good morning. Thank you for joining. Follow us. I'm not belly full, my people. But my you shame me. I told my woman. I think I know sleeping last night now. I know the wait. Go quick pack. Then I come back. I can't take this one. We did Mosa for Italy. Mosa. Oh, this one is sweet. My man is if I eat another one now, there's a shout. I say, lady T, wash your way too. And they wash my head together. And wash my head. I thought well. I don't believe me. This is Akamu. The sweet, eh? That's why they like us. If I travel go another country, they miss this Italo cafe. But they don't know they get foam like this. They don't be like water. I don't know the things they don't come. Italo they get foam. I think I go to Italo bar. Oh yeah, let's take carry us come. Let's take carry us come today. No, not the church. Oh, I not the church. Don't say I never teach and stay good church. But they do. They go church every Friday night. They do all night every Friday. We not the mission. My prayer team. Even though say that Friday fall from Christmas Day, they also go down. What be small thing no. For my prayer team. Again one time when the Friday fall for na festival time. We do all. Let me call the talk say no not do. Since it's na festival time, everybody they say lele. So we must do all. You know, my prayer team strong. They say we must do all. Every Friday. They do. We not they miss am. At all. So now there dey. But I dey go church, I dey go Catholic church, but for long now I never go because of this waka when they waka, not the see chance. Even because of this waka, that make me not see the do live video for YouTube. But I pray say maybe today, by God's grace, I will do because I don't get like 3 topics for hand where we say the people when get the topic say Lady T. Now for live video we want make you do this topic, not do one for uploading because we want make people call him, make people contribute. That's why I just see the hold on. So by God's grace I'll do one today. Okay my people, let's start. Let's get started. So there yes no. So women when they Europe. Now we now come talk to. You know, people they call me, men they call me, women they call me. But today I want to talk to our women. Maybe on another day I'll talk to our men. But today, so women will not talk say, why you not talk to men when they do like this? That one for another day. I know if you do the two together. Now we women want to talk to today. And men that they complain well. Especially after I make that topic of decision to take. Almost 5 men, now call me. But I know they play person voice record. I know fit can they play their voice record because now no say I don't already talk and say for my program. Without person not give me permission. No matter what, I will not play, and I thank God say God give me the grace. I feel keep to that promise and not the play person voice record. Now only one person, now I don't play, will not permit me. And be damn one Ghana brother we say one play me safe. Say one pastor, their pastor will wedding, they can't carry a wife for night when they get quarrel. And in one play me safe because they want to take picking for his hand. You know, whoever green his son. So my question is going to judge me because I try to talk to the brother not listening to me, and what he made the brother actually send me that message. Not to say he sent me say make I do the topic. I did one topic of about one brother I think Bamidele for Lagos when he take his own life because he say life don't tire and say person go party. The party tire person, the person you need to go. You say so, now make him go. So after I make that topic, now I call the shout for the video. For people when watch that my video for YouTube, I call the shout. They tell say, if like why life go tire you get mama, because they say mama now not be small condition mama day now they think about the son and all that. Now say if life tire you not tire your mama will carry you con life now. Why they give the woman pain? I call the shout say no matter what. So when the brother watched that video, let me can call me. Come tell me say why I go dey shout for the brother. Say me I not shout for now. Whether me know wetin the brother they pass through, just as wetin they pass through. He want let me know say he want do the same thing. He want do one. He go do one. You know. So I try to talk to him. No worry. Say me just dey talk my own. He already make up in me. I say very soon I go hear him for news say one Ghana brother me himself for Italy. This and this, that, I could fear. My conscience going to judge me. So that evening, I guess my own topic where I want to. So I can't try to do my topic, but the thing keep on coming. They come now. I just play the brother voice record without his permission. You know, I constantly they help me talk to. And I said the thing they disturb me. That make me even do it that very day. If not, I for not do one. Now leave that one. And I thank God said the brother no try that thing, no permit himself. He did alive and very strong now. That is the glory that I was able to save someone, you know. But I will not try it again because later the brother follow me quarrel. I no like to now. I can't tell me say I for not do. And I say, but I dey feel for you now, no one because so many people can't call him. I can't give the number to some Ghana people. To some men when they say they don't see pass through waiting they pass through at that time, they can't encourage her. They can't say send me message later he appreciates, can't tell me thank you that he really appreciates that he does it okay now he no go do. He said time to time they write down they ask and say how you dey, you see reply me say he dey fine. So that's why when they try to talk here now be say I know they play how people they hear me I dey ban off shout. You know say they know as say African people they shout away. So I dey try to talk small so that I know disturb other people. Not be only me one day, but I can't stay corner for years so that I not to distract other people. So what I dey try to talk here now be saying, please wanna share this video. I'm gonna follow my page, wanna like my page. What I dey try to talk here now be say we women we dey for Europe. Wanna use na don't na hurt man well. Wanna use and hold on because the women take they complain. If you see the kind of voice record when they send for me, even their wife conversation, they send that for me too. The way the woman they respond to them. Some send their own for me. I don't feel plain. And I come see and say, now the women through the voice conversation, but I know the judge here now, but through waiting the woman they talk, I just say the men they know they wrong. They know they wrong. I know say bad man dey, but no be all marriage be bed of roses. So Mona no dey look all this marriage one they see for social media say meshonu, kiss me, I kiss you, my husband buy me this, my husband buy me that. Mona no use am dey judge o. No marriage is perfect. If they tell una wetin they pass through, una no go believe wetin they bear for inside house. Una own na my case. I say me sef, this social media when me come, I use am repair my marriage because some kind things wey I dey vex put. When I come begin to hear people's story, now I arrange myself, now I package myself. Now I say, now say baby, now I come use rapper time my own well. I dey tell una now, una no lose una husband. No una use and hold una man well. Make una respect una husband. Cooperate with him. Try your best. If your husband get anywhere and you say if they bad, put am for prayer and try to use sense calculate that part. Then be the coco. No marriage sweet. I know if you come not chest when I say my own are the best marriage. No, my husband with the quarrel, but my husband never raise hand. Even this finger, he never do one. Don't raise hand. But with the quarrel, no marriage sweet. Mona hold my husband where European women. One day, one woman called me. He say like say he get sense. The sense we get now. Like say he get at that time. He say for not losing your husband. He say nothing for make am lose his husband. Like say the sense we he get now, he get at that time. He say no get sense. Say the two dey pain now say oh this sense we he get now, why he not get at that time? You know say some women when you dey advise them, you go be like say they not stick for their head. That thing where they want to, if they never do and they not go rest. He said like saying no. Okay, make I tell you about popular woman. Una know that a woman wey died this year now. Rachel Onyega, that woman wey heart on Ome. Before she died, una hear wetin she talk. He said like say he know that time. He said for fight for a marriage, if for feel holy marriage. He said the sense when he get, he not get at that time you're born to have many children. Something just happen. I say you're pam. Even if slap their so even slap their husband, you see in presence of their children, and turn that same man against his own children. How can you slap your husband? Oh, wow. You get the kind man when you feel slap, when you slap so kind man, when don't handle you finish, you will know yourself. Don't try out. Why you raise hand on your husband? Kai, that are no good. When I say I dey talk my own. I know say some women go dey curse me now. Say hey, this lady T dey support man. Why you dey do like this? I dey tell you now this video now go remember me later because you when your marriage dey get as it be now you dey maybe dey watch me arrange your marriage. Where you dey go you don't know as it be o. All dog dey chop shit o. No one perfect o. You understand? Again, one mommy voice record when I want play, but because say his husband a very big man for big position and one, if I play a voice record, una go know that voice record fit come dey go. Maybe they fit use am against the man. Say see what he do the thing now between the family. So I know fit play the woman voice record. If not, I for play. That woman, the way she take fight for her husband. The same naked video when they go break come out, they bring her husband naked video come out, they come they threaten the man because the man a big person. Now the woman I handle the case. Now that woman I handle that case. He tell the husband say leave the case for me. I will handle it. If now some women because of that one they'll use and leave their husband. They'll say, why you go do one? I did there. You go follow another woman. They go use and leave their husband. When you want go meet, you know CB. Women when they Europe, I dey tell you now. People when don't make the mistake when I make, they cry. Again one way they 47 or be 48. Pick up. They talk say you want this kind of man. No, so where you want to say this kind of man? You know they. I say what's your husband do? When you talk, now so this one my case now. When people even they tell me even strong part this one when your husband do. So because of that one, let me kill you. You understand? Make una hold on well. Nobody. I know say single mother life, it is sweet, but it's still the bitter. Me don't date there. Me don't date that position. Nobody go come tell me how it be. Me don't date there. I don't know how it be. Nobody go fit come tell me say single mother. Before me they talk all this one, so I don't date there. Nobody go come paint time for me say see as it be. You know a single mother life they be. It is sweet. It get advantage and disadvantage. But now the disadvantage not many parts. If not the man leave you, one thing when people not understand. If not the man leave you, say you not fit force am may come back. You be single mother, God will give you strength to take care of those children. God will be the father of those children. But if you use your hand to weigh your husband, no expect say God will be the father of those children. You know they happen. If now your mistake you take do and you're not ready, maybe na mistake you take do and you're not ready to accept that mistake, God will not be the father of those children. The only when not be your mistake, the man is wicked, God will be the father of those children. And God will punish them and God will strengthen you. That's why they be. No use them. I dey talk am now. They say no one will fight, you will fail quarrel. That's why they be. I dey talk am now. You way they watch me now, because think well that thing where they do that decision when you want it so when you want it away your husband in water they see husband when they say quarrel not there for house you know there. I don't feel tell them someone I know they look other people they say this one your husband do this so now come on flag so not be truth so feel be truth but you know where they pay I know say me get different way when they say they do. Your own husband character with my own not be the same. It gave me my own for bad. Your own feel good for them. It gave me your own for good. My own feel bad for them. That's why they build. No marriage is sweet. No anybody will tell you, oh, my marriage is so sweet. This I married my husband, he has been good. I know made it good. But sit down, think and well. Think and well before you take that decision. Say you want to leave that man. I've been because of waiting. Reason now my sister this video wanna share out to our women. Now women I get this topic wanna share out to our women. The voice record when I hear about some of our women is so bad. It's so bad. It's not good. Oh, now Europe today so most women wanna see say that they walk out and down like this. They cry. Say like say they know only say they know if you open mouth can't tell you. You understand? That they tell me. Say like say they get sense now. Stand for your husband. Stand. If they come and tell you say, now so stand for your husband. You get the kind of violence. Violence is strong. If you see say the violence strong, where you can separate for a while. If now the one is not strong, see how you can handle it. You understand? Stand for your husband. Don't let anybody come separate you and your husband. Love your husband, respect him. You understand? All may get weak points. Look for the weak points. Like my husband, I know my husband weak point too. But I'm not going to tell you now my secrets. Because I don't know if there's one called Colombian husband for my hand, because they use that weak point. I don't already know. I something I know in weak points. Once you do the vest like this, I know where to enter, where to go. Not be saying I love making no. I know how to do. You go calm. You go reason with me. And that decision when maybe I be want when you say no you will come agree but it will take time. Know your husband weak points, enter and through there now you be coco. I just have been block people. May I fair block this person. I know you just get time for rubbish. You understand? I know say many women not will like this topic, but now go remember me later. You understand? I say na woman topic I dey talk. If I dey talk my own, I know wetin I will talk. I no fit join two of them together. So if you watch this video, not saying what about man when they do like this. Now woman why they talk. Some of we women when they this Europe, one of they support to her husband. Okay, man will go work, come back. Now I finish this man. You don't know the kind say this man don't go work. You don't Europe work not easy. They don't go work, they don't tire, they don't come house. Now no go come finish this man with say now because they give him wahala. They not make him rest. The man want to last for me. You understand? Now, what my topic at the talk now, not be my own. If I want to talk my own, I know what to say. When I use an all now, men well, women where they Europe. Not be only Europe, not be only Italian men call me. People call me from Italy and some other part of the world. They call me for Spain, for Austria, for this thing, for France. Now two don't call me for France. This week now you're the talk so two from France. Now two don't call me. So Mona use and don't know man way. People when they Europe. Our women, please. No marriage they sweet. No matter of understanding. Look how you will fit enter Mona understand yourself. Many women wanna they see say that they walk up and down, that they regret say like say they know. Like me now. I dey pray every day, say, may God protect us, may He still continue to unite us. Because marriage not be waiting that they use on the neck chest, say my own is perfect. Until both of you don't old, now don't they use up body waka. Before you come out like the Olu Jacob now, all those one fit come out, say their marriage was perfect. Me, I no fit come out now. You know now, until we don't hold, if we don't hold, me and my husband don't they use Opo, I can't come out, I can't knock chest, I can't dance. I never dance now, I don't deserve them. But I pray, say, I'll come out, can't dance, put. You understand? So, please, now use and don't know husband well. That place when they go, now no as it be. Now house where person no enter, now they talk say if you don't enter inside, you can say. You get one family where they admire. When I see what they go on for that family, now I use and hold my head. This is the family where they say just the, you know, they even they admire them. But when I come they close to them, now say, also this one a camouflage. Your own go better pass, you're just saying your own worse pass. You understand? Like me now. Anybody want to carry your husband, say you want to scatter you, stand for your husband. You understand? You see what Mama Don Davis do? Not be all women go do, and some women go say, make it go, you could come on like that one. You understand? Me, as you see me so. Time day wey be say somebody actually talk say now say they friend my husband now say they friend not now say abeg this man look am well na my name na dey from the beginning to the end no be your own go front. Later he come back now say he get belle now say he get belle oh glory be to God abeg that pikin born am. I tell my husband say tell am say make born the pikin me I go carry. I will carry me. I don't see this kind of man. I'll call your liver for somebody. I decrease. I will carry the pikin now. Problem not there. I say me born the pikin. I tell me say, now say yes so. Tell me no spoiler. And if you want born, make born girl. You don't get boys. So they find girl. Make born girl for the house. You understand? Now say but man you will do DNA. Will not the trim pikin will not be our own. If you don't do DNA, me go carry. You can go remove her. You not tell me remove her. You tell me leave her. You go remove her. I tell her that it don't tell not be now. Many years ago. You go remove her. I tell her say body pikin. How carry? This is not the married man with don't fair born. My own never fair born. If you even born self, you don't make my marriage complete. Yeah, I go carry the pikin. But my husband no fit come say one go visit pikin or another belle will come enter. No, wow, who will grade that one? When you know the battery don't enter. I say born I dey carry. Oh really, I mean now. Let's say you born that pikin for carrying. They will do DNA whether na my husband do. No be say I dey say make my husband go dey flirt for outside or dey jump. I know say na a mistake, na a weak moment at that time. Men dey get their weak moments, you know. So you cannot use the weak moments against him. You understand? And I can't say may not do it again. Put on for prayer too. You understand? So I don't feel say because I say a woman don't get belly for I'll pack my loads come out. Where they go? Okay, if you can pack your loads come out now, yourself you don't born. You don't be after waiting. The person you want to carry, you don't be after something, one cause take carry you. Then your own, you can't leave her. Ha! What are they using our brain? Because say your husband give woman belly for outside, you say you want leave her. I not say now what is the man, I know decide they support the man. I know they support that man. He don't already do bad. But don't leave your husband because of that one. You know the person when they talk to you, they look me now, you know. Don't leave him. Accept that pikin. If now maybe you, I'll just be the mama of that pikin. I'll just carry him. I'll say me carry him come. Or if your mama say no go give me, now me go dey give her things, pampers on na me. Holiday go come do for our house. My husband no go go. That is it. Because if you go, road wey person don fit pass, go pass her again. You carry your things go dey give am. If you need anything now, you will go give am. The pikin don go dey come holiday. If the woman not go give you, if na me go carry. If you say you know go give me, do one like that. Why you leave your husband say give woman belly for outside? Are you stupid? You get sense? Okay, you can't leave and then go come carry husband. You want to be single mother, they train my children, and it disappoint me. Oyibo no dey even dey do that thing again. Now before Oyibo dey do it. Nowadays Oyibo no dey do it. I know one Oyibo when they say your husband do the same thing. You man not leave your husband. Oyibo people now before they do it. Now they know they do it. I'm telling you, say because say your husband give you one belly for outside, you can't say you want to leave your husband. Say he disappoints you, shit on you. Fine, we know. But na a weak moment. Accept. Accept. Next time I'll do my topic too. Don't leave your husband because of that too. I don't tell you. If you like, you leave her. You go remember say Lady T do video talk about her. Because I don't feel call you now. Because if I call you now, you can't just say your husband they narrating. Especially I be social media people. If you call some people, maybe you don't want to bring and come out for social media. You just call them to want give them advice. Because anyway, to their wife or their husband talk. Because if the social media person, or they fear whether they'll record you. Me, I know the record person. Or if they not fear, they'll go to announce the man or the woman. They say, oh, now here they announce me. They go. You don't go to social media people. People can't take and hide. So as I do this video, so the person will see him. Don't leave your husband. Which perfect man you want to go see for outside? Everyone, you know there. So use and hold your husband well. Treat your husband good. I just say, so people not going to understand. Perfect marriage no day. Forget all this one at the sea. No perfect marriage. Forget all these kids one at the sea. Forget. Say, he buy me this, he buy me car, he buy me shoe, he buy me. Forget all those things. No perfect marriage. Teeth and tongue. They fight. No be side body they do. No be one mat they do. So forget all those things. Forget it. Hold your husband well. Support your husband. Love your husband. Respect your husband. Women when they Europe. Try to do this. Many people don't they regret time. Say like say they get sense. The sense where they get now. The things where they happen. Say because what did their husband do that time where they say not taboo. Many men they do now their wife go put door, go enter house. You understand? If your man want change, you don't change. No. What did they do before? You surprised say not can they do it again. You can they imagine. Because you don't they mature, they come. As the more they break, the more they hold, they don't consider power again. Many responsibility don't come for their hands. When they say they don't they do, they don't see that power. When they run up and down saying na this or na that. Now their responsibility they'll face as they break, they mature. So make they take time before they mature. So not they take time. Not throw away your husband. I see they repeat time. Don't repeat time more than 1 million times for this video. that thing wey you dey do, put am for prayers and look your own side and know your husband weak points. Follow that weak points. When you know say e dey calm her down, study and know that it good make you know your husband weak points. When you say if maybe the thing wey dey bring argument don dey come, you don't know what to do, so take calm her down. Now move on. Marriage no be say na love. If una don dey take for marriage, no be love again, na responsibility e come be, because you na responsibility to your husband na your responsibility, and they must follow that responsibility to make the marriage work. Na e come be, because some kind things wey go happen no go even come dey make you dey think about love again, but you come dey look and say na your responsibility. You understand? So my people, they don open our gate too. I will see you for my next video. So mona take care. Please, women wey dey Europe, respect your husband. Don't leave your husband though. I dey laugh. I dey laugh for some women. Okay. I want to go the door for our gifts. Thank you guys. Wanna help me share this video? Wanna help some women? We women wey dey abroad, please. Wanna try? No marriage sweet oh. When I don't let person deceive you now, so I will tell you, say now, so their husband do this for them, do that for them. Maybe he do one, but I don't know until they pass through for a side house before he do. Maybe if he not do, he just want to give your husband that glory. So what is say enough for the wise? Thank you guys. I will see you on my next video. Ciao. Please follow us on our page and like our page. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your picky. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. 2 dreams, bright life with Lady T. Ciao, ciao.
With Lady T.